welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Appletapple, and today I wanted to try something new and I ordered a few items from YesStyle. This video is not sponsored, I ordered them with my own money, but I do have a promo link, so if you want to buy something and save a bit of money, you can use my promo link, which will also give me a reward. It's all linked down below. But first, let me tell you what I did. I was browsing through YesStyle when I thought, okay, what would the cheapest outfit on YesStyle look like? So I was going through the women's section and also the men's section. So today I'm going to present you the cheapest female outfit and the cheapest male outfit. And I hope the items will fit me because the sizes for men are different. And I already had some problems with the sizes for women because you have to size up. So hopefully everything will work and everything will fit. Oh, I'm in a different location. I'm not at home. No one is here at the moment. And I thought, okay, that's an opportunity to film a video because I could use the internet and do university stuff, but the internet is very slow here, so we're recording today. All right, let's get started. I already opened it at home and put the female outfit here and the male outfit here. By the way, those are like weird words for it. Let's say the feminine outfit here and the masculine outfit here. If you have better words, leave them in the comments. Here we go. Let's start with the cheapest outfit from the women's section. So this bag was actually from the men's section. There are some fancy plastic bags, so I just wanted to put the whole outfit in here and get rid of the plastic bags for every other item. So first of all, we have some socks. I thought they were so cute. And actually, I think different types of socks were the cheapest, but I think I already ordered them. So I also tried to kind of match everything, and also with clothing. Of course, there can be a cheapest item, but it might not be my size, so it's somewhat the cheapest item I could find in my size. So we have very cute socks with glued on flowers, and I hope they will last me. I hope the glue won't dissolve in the washing machine, but they really look good. Although blue is my favorite color, I'm not particularly enjoying this type of blue, but the flowers are everything. Looks good. Then let's start from bottom to top. So next up we have a pair of pants in my favorite color, size extra large. Apparently, I feel like it looks really good. Has a rather thin fabric, but I don't mind with some jeans. Oh yeah, and apparently they never cut the buttonholes for you, but that's okay. My mom has all of the sewing equipment you can find in the store. I think it will be easier to cut through the buttonhole with my mom's more expensive scissors. And yeah, size extra large in purple. And I really like the color, but I just hope they are going to look okay. That's what I'm going to wear. And as a top, sadly, I don't know if sadly, but I ordered a size medium turtleneck tank top. Yeah, so that's kind of interesting that you have a tank top like this, but it has a turtleneck. But since I'm always warm, I feel like it's a nice alternative to not have sleeves. It feels really soft and it actually looks like it would fit me, not like the other size medium top that I ordered from my last YesStyle video. That was just way too small. And then I wanted to order a jacket for the outfit because there were no sleeves. What I noticed immediately is that the jacket has the colors from the items I ordered. So it has purple and it has black. I thought it would just be a black jacket because I think it said black on my list, but hey, it's pretty nice. It looks very plasticky, so you know, like a plastic thing you throw over furniture outside or something. But maybe if you put it on, it looks really nice. That's how it looks like from the inside. Yeah, it looks like a cheap jacket. So that's the first item that really looks cheap, but the other items looked okay. So those were the items. Let's put it on. I already lost the flower from the sock down here. I think it's a cropped pair of pants. Let's see, I don't usually like to wear a cropped pair of pants. I never know if you can see me well enough. Okay, let's start over. I lost a flower while putting on my pants here, so I have to re-glue it again. This pair is size extra large. I feel like it's way too tight, this jacket. It's not that warm today, but I feel like I'm already sweating because it's just plastic. I actually really like it. and I actually like it together. I don't have a mirror, I'm just looking at the reflection in the windows. Of course, the color of the socks is really not matching at all, but I thought it might look cute. It did until a flower fell off. That's the outfit with the jacket. Let me show you the outfit without the jacket. I also like it. It has pockets in the front and also in the back. Also big pockets, so that's nice. Yay! All right, moving on with the masculine outfit that I put in this bag. So the men's outfit came in high quality plastic bags. Everything else was in like ordinary thinner plastic bags. And let's start from the bottom again. I ordered black socks with rainbow stripes, size 23 to 27, 70% of something. And it says 100% cotton here. I think that's a mistake again, because here on the back, I don't know how to read that, but it says 70% and then it says 28%, so it can't be 100% of something. But anyways, they look good. They look exactly like my white pair of rainbow striped socks, so that's nice. And then I only have 2 items left. So the bottoms, this is going to be an outfit because I thought I ordered some pair of suit pants, but I got some pair of joggers. They are very fluffy, like the fabric is so soft. It has one back pocket and it has pockets in the front, which are huge, you know, like men's pockets are always very big. And it also looks like a cropped version. I think it's very short, oh no, but it's black with some type of pattern, and I thought I only ordered a black colored pair of pants, but okay. This is supposed to be 100% cotton as well. Again, I don't know if that's really the case, and it's size 8. It looks big enough, but the pattern, it's just not matching at all because my top, let me show you my top. I ordered a button-up. So already a button-up is not matching with sweatpants. So let's see. I ordered a button-up in green, so I thought a pair of black pants would match. I didn't expect the pair of pants to have some type of pattern. I think this outfit will look very bad. This is 100% cotton and size large, or 170/88A. It came packaged like this, so very nice. And oh my goodness, that's size large. I think it will be skin tight for me, but yeah, we already noticed that the sizes are a bit off. It's rather see-through. What are with the buttons? Oh, okay, the buttons look so strange. They look like snap buttons, but I guess they're ordinary buttons. And maybe you can see that it's very see-through. If not, just have to take my word for it. All right. Oh my goodness. I don't think it's going to look good. So let's just put on the outfit and see for ourselves. Yes. Okay, I really don't know what to do with this. Pants are really comfy. This one is a bit tight around the hips, but maybe, I don't know. I just look like a randomized sim. Okay, everybody, thoughts. To put it in a nutshell, I think I really like the pieces individually, except for the socks that lost the flower, except for the very plasticky jacket, which looks good but doesn't feel good, but everything else felt good except for the sweatpants. They were kind of itchy on my calves, but other than that, I think everything was rather comfy. Oh, except for the purple jeans. They were a bit tight even though they were already extra large. So I recommend sizing up 2 sizes at least, and in case it is too big, you can always learn how to sew and make it tighter for you, or just wear it oversized. I think that's better than to be disappointed. Of course they could, you know, change the sizes a bit. That would be nice too, but until then I guess you would just have to size up everything. Even the size large shirt for men was very tight on me, but I also tried on a few button-ups that are very tight around my hips because they just go straight, right? So it's tight around my hips, but everything until the waist area, it was fitting perfectly. So maybe I can wear it open. I just don't like the outfit as a whole, the cheapest masculine outfit. I think I prefer the cheapest feminine outfit, not just because I wear feminine clothes most of the time, but it just happened to be less chaotic, looks less like a randomized sim. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to buy something from YesStyle, I have the promo link down below, but this video is not sponsored. I just have the promo link, so if you want to save a little bit of money, you can use that one and give me a small reward with using that link without any cost for you. I will also link everything down below in case you're interested. And yeah, until the next video, stay safe, take care. Okay, bye. Bye-bye. One of my friends said that her family always criticizes her for wearing pajama all day, all night. So here, let me show you. Same for me, girl. Same for me. That's it for my runway. Thank you for joining it.